Hey there, this is Lori from Rideshare Silver, and I'm going to do a really quick video to show you how to order a Lyft. So let's get right to it. If you don't have the Lyft app already on your phone, which you need, you can go to my description below and there's a fast link that will, if you click on that, it'll take you right up into Lyft with a promo code embedded in the link, so they will recognize that and you'll get some free ride credits as a first-time user. Or if you want to do it from the Play Store, you would go into the Play Store, you would look for the Lyft Rider app, you would download it. I have it on, so I don't need to download it. And after it downloads, this is what it's going to look like. So you would go into Lyft, and if you haven't already, tap up to the left-hand corner is my face, but it will be yours. You would go into payment. You would set up a payment method, which includes a debit, credit, or a PayPal account, because they don't take cash. And if you are manually downloading the app, you would go into promos, and here you would hit or type the word pink balloons. Hit apply, and that should give you some free ride credits as a first-time user. So you are all ready. Once you have that set, you're all ready to order your first Lyft ride. Now let's look at a few things. Right in the middle, you can see that pin, and that pin, you can actually move the screen around and you can set that pin on a location, a business, or actually a home address. You can, wherever it lands, it'll get your address, or you can actually see, you can tap right here on the bar with the address, and you can manually enter an address here. So this is where you would type in your home address. So we're just going to say that's my home address. Okay, so we've set that as our pickup place. Now, to the left, you'll see the little car icon. That is the default 4-door Lyft ride that you will get when you go into the app. But you do have options. You can get a 6-seater, or you can get a high-end 4-seater that's much more expensive. So you have those options, but it will default to the 4-seater, just the standard, least expensive option. Over to the right, you'll see a little clock, and this is an option that Lyft has where you can actually schedule in advance a full week, or schedule a pickup a full week in advance in 10-second or 10-minute increments. So we're just going to go back next available. So, okay, right here, the little pin says that if you were to order a Lyft right now, it's 2 minutes away. So if you're ready to go, you would hit set pickup. Okay, what's really fun about Lyft is you can also set a home or a workplace, frequent places you can go. So you could preset those. I already have, and you do that by adding a destination, so you can add and edit your home and your work. So you can also do the choose on map option, where you just go on your pin, and we are going to go, well, it doesn't really matter where we're going. We're just going to find a spot. There we go. We're going to go right there. And the ERCO, however you say that. So this is where you would set your destination. Now this is going to tell you that if you order right now, you'll actually arrive there at about 1:16 p.m. You can also see right here what your cost is going to be, $7.40. And you can see if you tap that, you can go in the 6-seater, and it'll, or in the higher end one, it'll give you the pricings for those options. But you want to you don't even have to mess with it. It usually goes to default. So you would hit this if this is where you want to go. Set your destination, and then all you would do is you would hit request Lyft. And as you can see right there on the pin, the car is 1 minute away. So once you hit that request Lyft, boom, they're going to be on their way. They're going to come pick you up. You don't have to exchange any money because you've already entered your credit card, and that is what they're going to charge you for. You can sit in the front or the back, whichever is more comfortable for you. And when they get you to the destination, just jump out of the car. The exchange is all done. You will be asked to rate your driver. And it's always great to get a 5-star. So the drivers always appreciate that. And then you have an option if you want a tip. So that is as simple as it is. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please hit the subscribe button and like my video. And hope to see you on the road.